Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with the continue video of the arthropod classification, and this is the second part of the arthropod classification. I thought that this classification I have completed within the two videos, but it was impossible for me, so that's why I just divide this video into this part, obviously classification part, into three videos. Okay, so I have already uploaded the first part, this is the second part. Okay, so and before going to this topic or explanation, I want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed my channel and support me a lot. Okay, so let's continue. And here the second class is, one second. Okay, another thing I have to say that Crustacea is the second subphylum after Chelicerata. In the first part, I have described about the Chelicerata. Okay, and this must be Crustacea, but I have started this video with Uniramia. This is the third subphylum. Okay, and second subphylum, that is Crustacea, I have I will upload in the third video. Okay, so this is the third subphylum, that is the Uniramia. Okay, so what are the features of the Uniramia? The first feature is that body elongated and dorsoventrally flattened. Okay, So this is the Uniramia, and here the class is, this is subphylum Uniramia. Okay, Uniramia subphylum. Okay, subphylum. And under this subphylum, the class is the Chilopoda. Okay, the class is Chilopoda, and the features of the subphylum Uniramia I have already described in the first video. Okay. So you just check out that one. Class Chilopoda, what are the features? The body elongated and dorsoventrally flattened. Body elongated and dorsoventrally flattened. Second part or second feature, that is the trunk with 15 to more than 181 leg bearing segments. Clear? The trunk with 15 to more than 181 leg bearing segments. Third point is that the first pair of legs, that is called the foresepals. Okay, foresepals, and these are large and commonly called poison claws. Okay, this is known as poison claws, and it terminates into a pointed fan, which is the outlet for the duct of a poison gland. They have a poison gland. This is connected with a duct-like structure that is known as the fan. Okay, this is called the fan. This fan is connected with the poison gland. Clear? And these totally connected with the poison claws. Under this, the first subclass, that is the Epimorpha, and the second subclass, that is the Anamorpha. In case of subclass Epimorpha, adults possess 21 or more pairs of legs. 21 or more pairs of legs. Here, the brooding of egg takes place. Okay, brooding of egg takes place, and youngs, generally young ones, they possess all segments on hatching. Okay, that means the young ones that produce just after hatching with all the segments. Okay, with all the segments. That is the fully adult form, but very short form. Okay, so example is the Scolopendra, and this is the rough structure of the Scolopendra. Second one is the Another subclass, that is the Anamorpha. Here the brooding is absent. Clear? Brooding is absent and full complement of segments are not possessed by the youngs. That means young ones with not all the segments, or you can say the adults have the much segments that the young ones. And now last point, that is the adults possess 15 pairs of legs. Adults, they have the 15 pairs of legs. Example is the Scutigera. Okay. Next class is the Symphyla. What is Symphyla? Generally these remain in the soil or live in the soil, and head and trunk with 12 leg bearing segments and 2 terminal segments without legs. Okay. Head present and trunk with 12 leg bearing segments, and whereas 2 terminal segments without legs. Okay. And the last segments, there are 1 pair of sensory hairs. Clear? Third point is that dorsal targal plates presence, and these permit flexibility of the body. That means the segmental plates present, and with the segmental plates there are another plates present. These are about 15 to 24, and these plates are called the targal plates. Okay. So these help in flexibility of the body. Example is what? Scutigera. Okay, Scutigera. Next class, that is the Diplopoda. Here the double trunk segments present. Double trunk segments as present. This is called the diplosegments. Okay. Eyes may be present or may be absent or may be present with 2 to 80 ocelli. Ocelli means single cell of the eye. Okay. In case of compound eyes, the compound eye is the mixture, or you can say that many simple eye that join to each other, or many ocelli that join to each other to form one compound eye. Clear? So sometimes eyes may be absent or may be present with 2 to 80 ocelli. Number 3, the presence of calcified exoskeleton. Okay, calcified exoskeleton. This class, Diplopoda, this has subclasses. Okay, so first I just try to explain up to Diplopoda, and after that I explain that the subclasses of the Diplopoda. Okay. Okay. So there are subclasses of Diplopoda. One is Pencillata, second one is Pentazonia. Okay, Pentazonia. The characters are Pencillata, trunk with 13 to 17 pairs of legs and minute with soft integument. The integument is very soft and that bearing with the tufts and scales like city. Okay, scale like city or sita. And there is the example is the Polyxenus. Okay, Polyxenus. Second one is Pentazonia subclass of Diplopoda. Here the head targal plates present. Okay, here the this is not head, this is the arched targal plates present. Second point is that last 2 pairs of the legs modified for clasping. 2 features are, one is that arched targal plates present, and last 2 pairs of the legs that modified for clasping. Example is Glomeres. Okay, The third subclass, that is the Helminthomorpha. And here the segment cylindrical, may be cylindrical or flattened. And here one pair of the legs for male at the seventh segment that modified for the sperm transfer. Okay. At the seventh segment, there is one pair of the leg that generally helps in the transferring of sperms. And this is possible only for male. Next class is the Arthropoda. Okay. And here the features are the body with head and 11 segmented trunk of there is 11 segmented trunk, but here the 9 segments that bear with the legs, one pair of legs, but the last one and first one that haven't not legs. Second point is that head with a pair of maxillae and antennae present, but antennae is bilemous. Example is Porpoise. Okay. Next class is the Insecta, and here the body divided into head, thorax and abdominal portion or region. 3 pairs of jointed appendages present at the thoracic part, and the last point is that compound eyes present. Okay, and there are 2 subclasses. One is Entognatha, another is Ectognatha. Entognatha, here the mouth part sunk into the head pouch, but in Ectognatha the mouth parts not sunk into the head pouch. Clear? And another feature, that is absence of wings here, and this another feature of the Ectognatha, that is the compound eyes present. Okay, its example is Isotoma and its example is Lepisma. So this is the another part of the arthropod classification I have completed here. Okay, and the remaining part I will try to describe in the third part. Okay.